I'm scared. There's gonna be a thunderstorm. I hope it don't kill me. Oh, that'd be bad. Ah, oh my gosh, that is crazy. That's a lot of thunder. Oh gosh, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I have to tell Mario. Where are you, Mario? Where are you? Okay, Mario, I can't be finding you every day. Mario, why are you? Jeez, Mario, why do you have to be so dumb? I just want to hide from you. There's a big thunder before. Can you hear the thunder now? Again? No. Okay. Well, just chill out, Yoshi. I can't. It's scary. Oh, well, whatever you can do with your scary, it's not going to be so scary. Okay? Okay. What are we going to do now? How am I supposed to know? You just do your own thing. But okay, I'm afraid of thunder. Oh! He went to the darkness. I didn't run all by myself. What am I gonna do? Oh, jeez. Oh, dear Lord. We praise Thee. Oh, dear God. We praise Thy glory and ever. We praise Thy name. Oh, dear God, we praise Thy glory. Just be quiet. Gosh. Okay, I don't know what we're going to do today. I don't know what I'm going to do today. Why is there so much thunder? Is it like a severe thunderstorm? Or what? I don't know. What if it is severe? What if it's even a tornado? Ah! Okay, stop putting thunder. Why is there so much thunder? I don't get it. When you hurt yourself, it makes you not think about anything. That's the